What? What? Our money is going down. We have only two in the last 3 months. We have only 2.33 left. Yeah. Why? Why? Our profit is gone. We have a lot, $7 in profit. Now we don't have anything else. No problem, don't worry. This is a part. I told you, now everyone was selling. We're gonna buy AGNC for 9.79, and next month we're gonna do the same. We're gonna try to sell when it's going high for buying, so we can buy it in low as we're gonna buy now. We're gonna try to buy the maximum we can for this price. Let's buy $5. I have a remainder from other day, so I have a $1.76. Let's buy 6.76. Okay. Let's buy. Oh my god, I was thinking, because I'm working as a dead end. I'm doing delivery. It's like this kind of dead end job. At the beginning was great because I was making a lot of money, like 300 to 400 a day when I started. And now my area sucks. It sucks. My area in here starts to be so bad that doesn't have any chip, and they make it almost 200. If I work hard, I can make two something. If I work a normal hour, I can make it 120. I need to hustle and work with different apps. And I was thinking, oh my god, I'm throwing my life away. I started my life as software engineer. I worked for almost 10 years with soft, and then I decided to come to the United States. Pursue a dream, since I was a kid, I had this dream. Oh, I need to go to US. And then I decided to move in here. I met my wife. Now it's funny because I work more driving, but it's kind. I have the freedom sensation because I don't have the money freedom to do whatever I want when I want. But driving, I'm outside. I'm not driving full time because we need to wait for. So, but why I'm why am I talking about this? Because if you have opportunity and you want some, oh okay, I will drive a little bit. I don't have a bills. I don't have a family to provide. I'm gonna work driving just to make to pay the bills, whatever I need, and then I focus. I have a time to work on my project. Oh, this is also when I started. I was doing this. I was working on my own project. I was making my project. I was making money driving for a little while, and now my project is done. I can't continue with that project, and I'm looking to myself slave of gig work because I need their money to survive. I don't have a lot of time to stop. So now I decide to stop a little bit, do these videos, and study back to passing some interview. And I think I'm gonna go back to work as software engineer, try a new job. I don't know. I think like software engineer can make a lot of money, but I need to work for somebody else. Other job I will not make enough money, so I don't want to go to other job. Maximum I can go is software engineer. It's getting hard because there's layoff, so the market now is little saturated. There's a lot of competition, and the thing is keep doing. We need to keep learning, keep improve yourself. I have a channel that I talk about code. It's code with Thi, code with Thi. If you want, go there. I'm trying to figure out if that channel gonna post only things about code. And in here I was thinking to post project, build things, because to learn you need to build. And I was thinking, makes sense, let's build a lot of things in here and put online those websites, those systems, those apps, and they'll bring you in this journey. I don't know, I'm thinking about that, because we need to do something to make more money, to have to pay our bills, and then work in all the things. Because my idea is I want to go back, but also I want to build stuff. I want to be an entrepreneur, build my own company, my own business, and then I want to create jobs for people, not being employed forever. I hate being employed. I hate for one side, but I like it for the other side, because you don't have all that pressure and you make money. I don't know, it's so complicated to figure out life when you are the provider. Like me, I am the provider for my family. My wife stay with my kid, my daughter, and I'm the provider now. I need to think strategic, to have strategy, because I'm the best. And $5 a day will not make me rich. It's kinda, we are doing that to learn, because when we have real money, we know how the market is gonna work, so we can learn. Okay, we are investing this, we're gonna make it probably this percent amount at the end of the year, go up and down. We need to be relaxed. We can be crazy. It's going down, we need to sell. No, we learn now with small money, with low money. Well, when we have a lot of money, we know, okay, go up, but it's going go back soon. If you do the right choice. If you do the bad choice, go down and never go back. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. See you. Subscribe, please. Now, because I want you with me here. Subscribe, please. That's all, guys. Thank you so much. Peace.